Hey everyone, how you doing? It's me, Syl, and welcome to Taipei. Right here, behind me, beside me, and in front, beside, behind me, is, I can't pronounce it right, but my best effort is NIngxia Night Market. Now, it appears that I came a little bit too late, and a lot of the vendors here have already closed. So there's not that much left here to show. So I'm gonna have to come back when it's in full swing. And well, I was gonna walk backwards. No. So yeah, I'll come back and do this another time, because I'm sure that it'll be a lot more interesting than trying to pick out, you know, the few that are still open. However, I did save my appetite for this, and I am still hungry. So I'm gonna look for something else to eat since I'm already here. And we got a few restaurants here along the edge, and they seem to still be open and selling. So let's find me some dinner. Unfortunately, oh, they got English here, right on. A lot of places don't have any English, and I don't read Chinese, and I certainly don't understand it. That's an oyster omelet. Interesting. Let me get a better shot of that. So that's an oyster omelet. Now, I would probably try it if somebody offered me a little piece, but I'm not huge on oysters, so I don't think I'm gonna buy a whole meal of it. Now, from what I understand, Taipei is famous for this beef noodle soup thing. So maybe I should try this. Yeah, I want to try. Yeah, how much is it? 150. 150. So that's 150. It's about 450 US. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Spicy? Spicy?
Little spicy. Sure. Yeah. Regular spicy. Yeah. So I'm really not sure how to eat this stuff. All right, we're getting me a table. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna sit with some friends. There we go. Oops. Excuse me. Sorry. All right. Is it okay if I join you? Yeah, sure. Oh, thank you. I'm Syl. Nice to meet you. You're Alex. Yes, Alex. Nice to meet you, Alex. And
Alice.
all right. Here's the main dish. This looks pretty good. Look at that. It's not really very clear. It's a kind of a bit of a thick broth. Looks nice. So this looks like what? Chinese cabbage, bok choy, or something like that. Let's start with the broth. It's a bit spicy. It's good. This is a famous Taipei food, right?
Yes.
This is the most famous Taipei food? One of. Check out these huge pieces of beef too. Nice. And there's a lot of beef here. That's great. Nice. That's it's like 450 US. So, and a little over $6 Canadian. Somewhere around there. Oh yeah, look at that. It's a nice big piece of meat. You get like a steak in the soup. This is really nice. This is really good. Yeah, it gets like the more I eat, the better it tastes.
Oh.
Yeah, this is good. And they told me it's one of the best in Taipei, right? One of them. Not the best, but one of the best.
One of the best.
I noticed that the broth is a bit thicker than I expected. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. I'm learning. There's a lot of food that looks really delicious here. I want to try everything. But it's hard to do that.
And Eddie and I like the avocado milk over there.
Avocado milk.
Yes.
It's like a milkshake?
Yes, milkshake.
Like a shake.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Oh, cool.
You can try it maybe
Yeah.
if you like it.
Yeah.
Some store will put the pudding inside.
Really? Oh, now that sounds nice. Yeah. Avocado shake with pudding in it. Nice.
Yes, but it sounds maybe a little weird, but it tastes good.
Oh no, it doesn't sound weird. It sounds good. It sounds good. Yeah. I've tried avocado shake in Philippines, and they have mango shake and they have different banana shake, but they also had avocado shake.
Yes.
And the first time, yes, it sounded weird. I thought avocado shake. that does sound weird, but it was recommended to me to try it, and so I thought, okay, I like to try new things, so let's try. And it was quite good. It was quite good. So it doesn't sound weird at all. No, it sounds good. I'm looking. Where do they sell that?
Just over there.
Just right there in that corner.
In the corner.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Oh, nice. All right. Avocado. And what's it called? What do I call it?
Avocado milk.
Avocado milk.
Yes.
And then is the do I have to ask for the pudding, or do they put it automatically?
They will put inside.
It's included.
Yes.
Oh, wonderful. Okay, great. Well, thank you. Yeah, this is really good. I don't know if this place is especially good, but according to Alex and Alice, they said it's one of the best. So if you're ever at the, how do you pronounce the market name?
NIngxia.
NIngxia. Oh, NIngxia. NIngxia. Okay. Look at all this beef. There's like so much beef in here.
Yeah.
There's probably 4 or 5 pieces. Probably the equivalent of 4 or 5 of these. And this is thick. This is not thin slices. Do you feel, is this expensive or cheap? It's $150.
Normal price in Taipei.
Normal price, $150.
Yes.
Oh, okay. And because this is a lot. There's a lot of meat. I'm surprised. Because when I saw the price, I thought, okay, for a bowl of noodles, $150 is. It's not expensive, but it's not cheap, right?
Yeah.
But with all this meat, this is great. Yeah. This is all right. I'm surprised. I didn't expect so much meat. Yeah. Finishing off the rest of my bowl. It's very good.
还有这个
带回去。
决定要去买肉圆来。
I should have asked if that was rude. Was that rude? I drank my bowl. Is that acceptable, or is it polite or not polite?
It's polite.
It is polite.
Yes, it's
So
polite.
I think we didn't.
But we don't
Focus
have
on
that
it.
culture like Japan.
Yeah,
People
in Japan they'll drink the bowl. Yeah.
Yes.
So here, no.
We didn't focus on it.
Oh, okay. You don't care.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's good. That's good. Cool. I'm gonna try avocado pudding shake. Awesome. Look at the size of this. That's one avocado? That's huge. Look at this. It's like the size of my head.
Do you want a stem?
Yeah, yes, I'm gonna try. Yes, of course. Yeah. I see, yeah, the pudding. Yeah, that's the pudding. Okay. Okay, I see what you, yeah, that's like a in Japan they call that pudding. Yes, that's right. Yeah. I'm sorry. So a custard is I was thinking of something different. Yeah. I'm sorry. Okay. So okay, you're right. You're right. See, you need to teach me English because you know it better than I do. All right. Avocado with pudding. Sounds good. If you've never tried an avocado shake, you should try it. It doesn't taste as bad as it sounds. It's actually quite good. So how long have you guys been dating? 2 months. You get along so well. I thought maybe you guys were dating for like a year or 2 years or something. Only 2 months.
Yeah.
It's still fresh. Yeah. You're still getting to know each other.
Yeah.
Oh.
We just had a fight yesterday.
You had a fight? Oh, really?
Yeah.
What about? Oh, you don't want to tell the world.
No, we don't know too.
Oh, you don't know either.
Thank you.
That's most couples. They fight. They don't know why.
Yeah.
So who? Oh, thank you. How much do I pay?
160.
160. There you go.
Okay.
Shay. How do I say delicious in?
好喝，好吃，好吃，
好吃。
对，
好吃。
好喝，好喝，
好喝。
yes，好喝，
Drink.
Oh, it's 好喝好吃。
对对对
mean eat.
好吃 means eat.
yes，
And 好喝
good to drink，
good drink. Oh, so this is 好喝.
yes，
And if it's food, it's 好吃.
yes，
Okay, let's see if this is 好no 好吃.
好喝
No, wait, 好喝.
好喝，
Let's see if this is 好喝. I'm scared. No, I'm kidding. I can taste the pudding. Yeah. That's 好喝. It's
yeah.
好喝.
yeah，
Yeah, no, that is good. I can taste the pudding. Seriously, that's cool. Okay. Shay, how? All right, thank you. I don't want to keep your whole night. So thank you. Nice to meet you, Alex.
Thank you.
Alice.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. You guys going this way?
yes，
Okay, and I'm going that way. So.
Okay.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Bye bye.
Take care. Bye bye. Thank you. See you. That was great. They were really nice. Only been together 2 months. I thought they were together for longer. So I learned a new word today. Now I know 2 Chinese words. I know shay and I know hao he. Oh wait, I learned 3. If it's food and it's delicious, you say hao zi. I have no idea how bad my pronunciation is, but that's my best imitation. Just trying to find my way out of here. So, yeah, I think my battery is going to die soon anyway, so I might as well end this. There's not much else to talk about. Oh, that looks gross. Look at that. Ooh. Give you $5 to eat a spoonful of that. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please click like. Click subscribe if you're not subscribed. And click the bell icon to get more notifications when, get notifications when my videos come out. And other than that, I'm done. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.